It's a 2009 Acura TSX. Driven by those who know the best way to get from point A to point B isn't always a straight line. It's well equipped with the features you need. External memory control, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com highlights its strong performance, confident handling, comfortable seating, and chock full of the latest high-tech features. At Acura, we manufacture exhilaration so you don't have to. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive. Come visit us at Ardmore Toyota today, where we believe in continuous improvement and respect for people and their time. We look forward to seeing you in Ardmore, where we light up Lancaster Avenue.